Hello everybody, Zeff here with ZeffsTrading. Hope you guys are doing well today, August 29th, 2024. This will be our chart lesson for today. There's still about 30 minutes left in the market, but got some things to do today, so we're just going to wrap it up. Overall, pretty good trading day actually. A lot of good volume here. A little bit later on near the end of the day, but in the early section of the day as well, it wasn't half bad. You can see pre-market nice move up with a spike and channel, and then for the rest of the day it was a really big move down due to that news event. But nonetheless, really thought we were going to be going higher here on the daily chart. Big outside bar. Maybe we're going to start testing back down to the 54.50 area. Who knows? Anyways, though, for the pre-market session here, as we can see, I just don't see any trades in here in the beginning of this. But carrying on, about 30 minutes after open, you do get your first trade. You do have a first entry, second entry short failure, and then basically a double top trap here that sells back off. Overall, not where you're really looking for anything. Comes down here and establishes this bullish green upward trend channel that you're going to be playing off of for a little bit here. Move up, down, first entry, pulls back, second entry long, higher low. I don't like this. There's too many bars overlapping here, but this higher low is confirming that, yes, the bulls are in control here, and we are going to establish at least a new high. This was only up to 6 ticks, but I still think it's safe to go for 8 to 10 ticks, depending on how much room is up here, and there was enough room. So, again, move up, first entry, second entry long, higher low. Not a good signal bar, but context-wise, it's good. But if you did wait, then you got another resetting from our swing low. You got a first entry, pulls back, second entry short, lower high, right at the top of the upper trend channel. Perfect trade, nice lower high. Take that anytime. Go sideways here for about 15 minutes. I saw this as basically a failed breakout, higher low, first entry, second entry long. So it tries to break below, fails, you get a higher low, good signal bar. You could expect at least the move up, especially the EMA being flat, at least back up to the top of this, which is more than enough points, and it does do that. You do get another first entry, second entry short failure, runs higher, 1, 2, and 3, triple test. I was hesitant to mark this one. I think it's worth marking at least a little bit for an aggressive trade. It's just not the best signal bar. That's pretty much the only gripe I have with it. And other than that, market moves back downward to the bottom of the trend channel. You get a move up, first entry, second entry short, failure. Also, it's a hidden second entry long. Look for the break a new high. Basically, a failed breakout of this trading range as well. And that's plenty of room up to the previous swing high here, as we can see. Market moves up here, and we get to the previous day's high here, as we can see. This green dotted line comes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. The usual, making higher lows though, as we can see, going up, sells off. Nothing in here. I just don't see any trades in here. First entry, second entry long, failure, little congested. Big move up, sell off here, and you're just waiting, being patient, waiting for a setup to come. EMA still flat. Really a big magnet around that previous day's high. Trading range for quite some time here. You do get a first entry, second entry long failure, runs higher. Nothing in here that I see, just counting. Nice move up, break. I do see this first entry, second entry short failure. You're looking for the new high, but you're going right into the swing high and don't like going into that, as you can see. So yeah, you're just patient, waiting for something to happen. Quite a big gap of time without a trade, but that happens. And then the market starts to sell off here. As we can see with this leg down, you just get a first entry, sells off again, and then you do get a nice little break here. And I saw this as a few things here, so kind of from this swing high, this swing low. Hope you guys can see that. It is quite congested. You just have to be understanding of context, and you do get a first entry, second entry short, and first entry, second entry long failure. So double high probability setup here works 99% of the time, and just go with that for quick scalp. If you want for 6 ticks, you did have room for 8 ticks, so you could have done that as well. Going along here, tries to make its way up again, fails, outside bar closing, trapping multiple bull traders here. As it sells off, nice bear flag. So we can see, pulls down, and you get a first entry, second entry long failure, tries one more time, and then it just dumps. And this is really what I actually do like to see, is when it dumps, you get a huge move down, two kind of matching bars here, one big bull, one big red, sells off, you get a first entry, second entry short. This one's not bad, it's just not at the EMA all that well, so you could probably mark this one, but I like this one more as, again, context wise, this lower high here. Not a good bar, but context wise it's great. And then again, you get another first entry, second entry long, failure, tries again, failure, so first entry, second entry short, great signal bar, take that. You're in a downtrend, just when you see this, you go short. Moves down, correction. You do have a hidden second entry short here, but I don't like how overstacking the bars are. I don't think that's worth taking. As the market makes another leg down, you do get a first entry, second entry short failure, runs higher, and you get a lower high. I like this. Again, you're still looking for the break and new low of this leg, and there's plenty of room down to the swing low here. Finally, as the market makes the biggest significant move, as we can see, we finally have a higher low after lower lows. That's when I thought that the market was at least going to turn around for a bit, and it does. You get a nice leg up, another leg up, leg down, another leg down. And again, same thing, kind of a repeat pattern here. You do have a first entry, second entry long, failure, and a hidden second entry short. It is congested. This one, I was hesitant going back and forth with it. Going on the long, going on the short here, you're basically shorting into support, which is a little dangerous here. So overall, I think overall you probably should just pass this one now that I'm looking at it more. I think it's too congested, and I don't like the failure here at all. And you're going to the support. You haven't seen the break a new high, so yeah. Anyways, tries to break out, fails, runs higher. You get another leg up, and this is pretty much where we still have a little bit of time in the market. About 20 minutes left, but overall I don't see any other setups here. First entry, another second entry long, inside bar failure, top of the channel. It's just playing this upper trend channel. Gets pretty messy before the last 30 minutes of the day, so just kind of how it is. But there's some good trades in there, especially this downward trend channel and earlier in the market session. Pretty interesting, again, for that daily chart, outside bar. Going to be probably closing at least on this midpoint here, so we'll see. Pretty much just a trading range on the daily chart, and I also wanted to go over this as well. It's just a little quick fun little thing, spotting the market and bottom in real time here. Lower low, lower low, lower low, lower. Look on the RSI, you'll have a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Basically this just means steam is running out. You're getting divergences here. And this was the first big significant move of it making a major higher low on price action. So wanted to go over that. Wanted to show you guys that. That's how I saw the bottom in real time. Hope you guys enjoyed this chart review, as always. And I will guys see you tomorrow.